Hey ladies, thanks for coming back. You know what? We're going to do this eye look today. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm using a palette that I've never used before. It's the first time I've used it, so you're going to use it with me, and I think you're going to love it. I'm 61, and if I can do this, you can do this. I'll walk you through every process of getting this eye look right here. Girl, you need this. And actually, the palette that I'm using has a cool tone side and a warm tone. So I use the warm tones today. I haven't touched the other side yet, but you're going to love it. Just keep watching. I am really ready to do this. The first thing we got to do, though, is put some eye primer on. I'm going to use Younique's. I love this. It's kind of a flesh color, and it just really goes on nicely. I only put it on my lids now. I really don't move it up toward my brow anymore. I have gotten into the, wanting to do like a concealer more, because the concealer really brightens it up. So if you do have a lot of discoloration on your lids, you might want to use the concealer. I'm going to use just a little bit of it, and then I'm going to set it with powder, because this is powder. I love this. This thing is gorgeous. So let's grab a little bit of concealer, and I am going to use Huda Beauty. This is my favorite. This is Milkshake. I know it. I don't know what happened with this packaging, but you know what? I like the product. It's really nice. It works well on my skin. It does. It's really nice for our mature skin. It has a consistency. It's like creamy, kind of, sort of, but it dries really nice. So you're going to need a little brush, something like this. And all I do is put it just right through here, and then go ahead and just take your finger and just kind of spread it out a little bit, and you can just push it up, because you really, really, really don't need that much. But I want to show you how it brightens up your eye just a little bit more. My hair's all in the way. See that? It gives you a nice little barrier between your skin and your makeup, which is what we're after, right? I tell you, it's been a busy time. I hope all of y'all this Christmas, right now, 2023, so if you're watching this, it may be older by the time you watch it. But I love this palette, and I'm going to wear this for Christmas Eve, actually. I've already got my little outfit picked out and everything, so I'm ready. I spent the day with grandbabies yesterday. I took the day off because I work full-time still. And I took the day off, and I just spent the day with my two grandchildren, my daughter's children, and it was nice. She went to work, and I got to play with kids. I felt like a kid again all day. I really did. I did. It was really nice just to hang with them, and it just be them two and me. So now let's take a little bit of this. This is It's. We're going to take It's and kind of tap it off, and we're just going to kind of lightly dust over it. This kind of helps it set. I don't like it to be too tacky, so that's the reason I do this. And my hair is all in the way. It's okay. So what I'm going to do, since this eye is easier for you to see, we're going to do this eye first. And we can compare what it looks like to the eye that has nothing on it. And I'm going to use some mascara. I'm thinking about using some liner. I'm not really sure. But I love this packaging. It just really is so cool. I love it. And this is actually what grabbed my attention. They had a lot of different colors, but I actually just chose these colors here. They're so, so pretty. And I think I'm going to use, I don't know, they're so pretty. It's hard to choose which ones. I think I'm going to use these on this side, because I want kind of a golden look today. I've got this cute little blouse on. I did order this not too long ago on Amazon, and I can link it to you. It's really cute. It comes back, and it comes up here, and just the way it wears. And it's meant to be off the shoulder. So I think you'd like it. So I'll put that down there too. It comes in lots of different colors, so that's wonderful. All right, let me grab all of my things, and we're going to get started on this eye. Okay, let's get started with this BK Beauty 202 brush. Really nice. It's not too big. I got small eyes, so I usually take something that's medium for me. And we are going to go in this color right here, which I think is called Cruise. And it's very pretty. I love these colors. Now, I don't know the payoff yet, on these. So let me look. I have hooded eyes. You can look and tell. They're saggy. It could use a little lift there, but you know what? I can't do that right now. Still working. I still got to work for it right now. I don't have time to be off anyway. So what I typically will do, will go right above my pupil there and just kind of dot it where I want it to go a little bit. Everybody has their own techniques, believe me. And you do what you do best for your eyes. But this is a beautiful color. So this is the first time I've used this palette. So you're using it with me the first time. So first impressions is basically what this is. Oh, wow. That just blends beautiful. Oh, I like it. So I'm going to do one eye, just this one. And I'll do the other eye off camera because I don't want it to be too long. Oh, gosh, that's pretty. I am going to bring it up to my brow there because that really does open up my eye a little bit. Oh, well, that's gorgeous. Now, the next color I'm going to grab, it's going to kind of layer it just a little bit, okay? I'm going to grab this beautiful color. I want to go ahead and grab the light color here, but I am going to use this color too. I'm going to use both of them. Don't know the names of these. It's so funny because when you look on the back, they got some weird names. One's vanilla, platinum, and hang. One of them is called hang. Okay. Well, hang is that dark color right there. That one. I don't want to call it that. I need to be the person that names these things. Yes, I would have a good time doing that. So I'm going to take this color right here in the center. Now, don't this look like a cool tone palette and a warm tone? I love this. I could mix these two all the time. Now, this looks like it has a little bit of shim to it. So I'm going to place this right here. And I'm just going to go pupil and over. And then the other color, I'm going to add up here in that corner. See that? That's pretty. That is a beautiful kind of bronzy gold. I'm taking it all the way out. I am going to use an outer V. Now, you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm going to turn this brush, and I'm going to go into the very light color up here. Ooh, I'm excited about that color. That's pretty. Let's try it. I watched my grandbabies yesterday, and it was so much fun. Grandbabies are just the bomb. And the little one, he's the youngest one. He's not even 2 yet. So he'll be 2 in February. But goodness, he wore my name out. Gigi, Gigi, Gigi. I heard Gigi for 100,000 times yesterday. And we really did have a great time. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Now, I'm going to come back and get my little brush here, the one I used first. And I'm going to go back into our transition color. And we're just going to warm that up, do a little circles around, and just kind of warm it up. I want that color to be kind of prominent up in this area. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now, I'm going to take a little angled brush. If you don't have one of these, this one is BK Beauty 205, and I'll list everything, okay? I will. And I do have a code for BK Beauty as well. Like it's Christmas time right now. They probably still have their sale going on too. But I'm just taking a little bit of that color. Let's see what it looks like. Just pop it right here and then turn it. This is a great brush for creating an outer V. All you got to do is pop the color there. And then grab you a beautiful brush, which is just a big one. This one's 201. And just blend. Don't blend this way. Blend inward. Blend is your friend. And do circular motions. Just blend it right into the colors. You can always come back and add, but it's really hard to take away. So don't get heavy-handed when you're doing this. Make sure you go in with a light hand, honestly. Oh, wow. I love that. That's pretty. Now, I am going to add a little bit of liner to this. And the liner I'm choosing today is a brown liner, and it's one of Younique's liners. But it's out of stock right now, but I love it. Now, don't worry about all of this. We can clean that up on the side. And I will come back and I'm going to touch this stuff up. But let me grab my brown liner and let's do that. Now, if you have trouble with your skin moving, you'll like this trick. I don't actually use this on my lid. I use a pencil brush first. And I love this one. This one is a 210 BK Beauty. And look how it's shaped. See, it's got a little point right there. Really nice. And then this is a very beautiful chocolate color. So take it and do like this. And then we're just going to create our liner using this. And we're going to come right here. And it's going to be so much easier for you because we don't, you know, our skin moves. I'm 61. It moves quite a bit, believe me. And when I'm trying to do this, one day I got so frustrated with trying to use this. And it kept pulling my skin. And I'm like, gosh, I can't get anything straight. So I grabbed this brush. And it has been the best brush to use for all the things that I do, that I need a small area. See how pretty that is? Good girl. Now, I am going to just take it just a tad upward. Now, this makes it really easy. You got to use the very tip right there. We're not making a wing, but we're just adding a definition right in here. Or that's what I call it, defining that corner. When it looks good, I like it. I'm from Alabama, if y'all can't tell. I am a crazy person. It's beautiful here today. Christmas is upon us here in 2023, and I cannot believe it's Christmas time already. But today, guess what? It's going to be in the 70s here, so that's Alabama winter for you. The other day, it was like 40. Now it's going to be in the 70s. So if you ever come to Alabama, do not come in the summertime. Come in the spring, because it's so hot you won't like it here. And if you're from a nice little climate where you don't have humidity, don't come. Come in the springtime. Don't come in the summer, because you know, ooh. Sometimes when you walk out in the summertime, it is like walking into a wall. Seriously, it just hits you, and you're like, wow, this is hot already. And the worst thing is when I have to park for work, I have to walk across the road and concrete and all that, and it's pretty hot. And just, nobody goes outside during that time unless you're swimming, you know. That's what everybody does. Yes, yes, yes. Girl, what do you think of that? That's beautiful. I like it because there's no fallout either. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Now, I'm going to put my mascara on off camera because that just takes too long. I am going to use Quadra. And my lashes have gotten so long. This is a serum mascara. It's tubing. It has a serum in it. It has primer already in it. Love it. But let me show you this. So if you do want to get something, I'll put this below. If you're going to use this has two sides. This side is the brush side. That's what you use first. And then once you get that on, you turn it, and that's the synthetic side. And this is what makes it longer. Okay. It makes you have it kind of separates your lashes. It's absolutely wonderful. So let me go put this on, and I'll be back. Okay, look. I still got to do the corners. I got to do my inner corners. So this is so pretty, y'all. I'm really happy with this look. I really am. So I'm going to take a little bit. We're going to use this color here, which is a matte, kind of an ivory color. We'll take a little bit of that, tap it off, and we're going to put it right here in the corner. Because sometimes when we're older, if you're young, you don't have to worry about this until you hit your 50s maybe. But you want to put this matte right here in this corner. It really does help if you've got some discoloration and darkness there, and you really don't need that shine as much in that corner. So that's the reason I'm putting it here, just enough to kind of mattify and make it just look fabulous. I tell you, I love this stuff. I really do. I'm glad I picked this up. I got this about a week ago, honestly, and I'm sure it's been out for a long time, but I've never seen it, so it's new to me. And I like those kind of things that are new to me. So I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take this brush here. Same brush as I've been using. This one is 202. And what I'm going to do is take that beautiful color we just used, and we're just going to swash it, tap it off, and then we're going to come right around here and right up underneath that brow. Just to soften that a little bit. Give it a little highlight too. And if you have close set eyes, sometimes when you do this kind of technique, it makes your eyes look a little bit wider apart because the light kind of pushes it out. But if you got deep set eyes, you know, you can do this too. But you may have to do it a different way. I got hooded eyes, and they're small, and mine are close set. So I'm always wanting to make mine look, you know, wider apart. Oh, that's so pretty. Now, look at that mascara, girl. I love this mascara. I do. It's a fabulous mascara. Let me grab my... I like to come back and bump it, as I call it. I put this here and just go boop, just a little to get it. Oh, yes. See, it flips it up even more. I really love this mascara. I'll list it too, because you may want to do this. These are my lashes now. I did not have these kind of lashes until I started using Quadra. And I have been using Quadra since early summer. So I've been using it quite a while, and it really has made a difference in my lashes. At 61, mine were kind of disappearing, like your brows do. But my brows today, you know, I love RMS Back to Beauty. It's an Uncover Up concealer. I like that. And then you've got, I have this over here. You will love it. It's Back to Brow. And you can get it in a kit, and it comes with these 3. So that's what's on my brows. I love it. This is the medium color. It comes light, medium, and dark. I'll list this too because this is a fabulous product. A lot of the ladies that follow me on Facebook have bought this and absolutely love it and swear by it too. And, you know, I like getting the kit because you get all the things that make you look just absolutely fab. See that? Oh, the last thing we're going to do, you know, I love a little highlighter. I was trying to wonder about using this as a highlighter. I was thinking about doing that. Or I could use my Revolutions. I love these. This is Bubble Balm. And then this one is just like got a bronzer kind of color to it. I love both of these. This is like a rose gold. And this one is like the bronzy gold. I don't know which one I want to use. You know what I'm going to use? We just use this in this thing. We'll just use this. Let's see what it does. I don't know what it's going to do. But we're about to find out. I'm a guinea pig, y'all. I love just trying new things. Okay, let me grab some of this. And let's just see if it gives me a little highlight through here. Now, I am using Tarte. I bought a new Tarte blush. So, when I was in Ulta the other day, good Lord, I got to stay out of there. I love Ulta, though. It's so fun to go in there and just play with stuff. Look at all the new things. I like to go to Sephora. It's just a little bit more expensive, but I had a great time last weekend when I went. That's when I got this palette. I went and got it. Look at that. That's so cool. Y'all know you want this. Look at that. They have other colors too. I really would like to go back and get one of the other ones. But I wanted a nice neutral palette. And this is it, girlfriend. Now, the last thing I usually do is this. And I spray my face with a Prime and Set Mist from Younique. It is fabulous. It lands on your face, and it just is cooling and refreshing at the same time, and it sets everything. Now, I use that first before I put on my foundation, and this I love because it's got golden goodness in it. See it running around in there, girl? Use a beauty blender and spray it, and it doesn't have to be wet. This one's not wet. If it was wet, it would be big, and it's not. It's dried because I hadn't used it in a few days wet. Okay. What do you think? Isn't that gorgeous? See, now it's going to set the highlighter that I just put, and it's going to give me a nice, natural, youthful glow. That's what I love. Ah! I like it. Oh, my hair's sticking up. My hair is always sticking up. I can't wait till my hair grows out, and all of this see, all of this is here now, and I need to get it down to here. It's almost there. It's almost there. Maybe by next year, hey. Or maybe by next summer, it might be. It might be to where I can have it way down. See, it's still in a lot of layers, but I'm trying to let them grow out. And I do have baby fine hair. So as you get older, you know, you have to kind of change your hairstyles. And I used to like big hair, but, you know, I can't do that anymore. I do like my hair about a little past shoulder length, though. And so this is hard for me because I can't, you know, wear my ponytails and things like that. It's really hard to do. But, you know, that comes with aging. I absolutely love this. Let me close my eyes so you can see. Isn't that pretty? Okay, you need to get this. And I'm going to try to do another look with the other colors. Not today, but I will do the other colors for you too. And we could mix the 2 colors, honestly. You could. So, thanks for hanging out with me. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I love it when you come and hang out with me. I hope you learned something from my 61-year-old self. And as we age, we really do need to hang together and I would love to hear some of your secrets. So if you put some of your secrets in the comments, I'll be happy to try them. I think when you share, you care. You know what I'm saying? All right. I will see y'all next Sunday. Y'all have a fabulous week. See you later.